Received orders given. Expect results. It's Airdrop Sniper here.
Alright, degenerates. Today's free money mission is Sahara AI. This project is pulling in $43 million from big investors. Pantera, Polychain, and even Samsung Next are backing it. Remember movement? People farmed for free and made up to $10,000. Sahara AI might be setting up for something similar. Unless you enjoy watching others get rich, start farming now. Farm along while watching this video. What is Sahara AI? It's a decentralized AI network that lets you create applications. Translation: artificial intelligence nerds build things, and we farm free airdrops. How to farm like a pro. 1. Go to the site and connect your MetaMask wallet. 2. Click on Gobi Bear. 3. Click available daily check-in missions. For the first and second, you just need to visit their socials through a website called Gaux. I first connect my wallet into Gaux. Now I visit Sahara's socials. I just completed first and second mission of Gobi Bear. I go back to the Sahara's website to claim rewards. For the second mission, you need to invite friends. You can invite up to 2 friends per day. For the last mission, go back to the Sahara's homepage and click on Faucet. Connect your wallet and click on Send. You will receive Sahara's test token in your wallet. Be patient. The process takes a while. Now go back to Gobi Bear and claim rewards. Those missions can be completed once a day to farm points. Now you can go to Social Media tab to complete more missions. Remember, mission equals free money. I have completed all social missions except the Discord mission. I have searched on their Discord and I haven't found how to complete Discord mission. I will update on my Telegram if there's updates on Discord's missions. Now go to Jaboa the Little Rat. For now, you can only complete the first mission. Register to their data service platform. You just need to click on Sign In and connect with your wallet. Once done, go back to Sahara and claim your reward. Completing tasks on each animals will allow you to mint their NFT later. If you manage to get all these 5 NFT, you can mint this NFT. This one allows you to test Sahara's testnet server, which will lead to airdrop. I know that today's airdrop missions are not for lazy people. I enjoy this kind of missions because 90% of people give up after a few days, and it leaves more airdrop for me. If you are broke, just shut up and do it. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.